Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create YouTube in Infinity Craft. So you first add fire, then you will add water on top, you get steam. Then you will add another fire on the steam, you will get an engine. Then you put another engine on top of the first one. Then you get a rocket, then you will add another rocket and you create a satellite. Then you will add a new one below it, you add water. You add water on water and you get a lake. Now you will add the lake to the satellite, this will create Google. Then you will add another one in, so you add earth below it, then add water, then add plant on top of the plant, wind on top of the plant. And then here you have then the Lydian, then you will add another one on top, then you have the patch, and then on the patch you add another wind. And this will add seeds, and on the seeds you put fire, and this will create popcorn. So, and now we make another one. You will add earth right here, put another earth, this will create mountain, and the mountain will needs to be added on top of the popcorn. This will create a movie, and the movie will add to Google, and this will create YouTube. So that's it, and YouTube to YouTube will create still YouTube. Thank you for watching.